Hello, welcome to the Hide Your Garden TV channel. In this quick video we will look at Coir Max. Coir Max is a complete plant feed for growing plants in cocoa coir media. You'll notice our bottles have been redesigned, but as well as this, our new Coir Max solution has been revamped from its older self. It will no longer be continuing in grow and bloom formulas, as potassium, which is an essential nutrient that helps the plant flower, is available in the cocoa coir media. Instead, the new Coir Max formulation will be split into A and B sets. The new solution will also contain EDDHA and fulvic acid. EDDHA acts as a chelating ingredient which basically forms a shell around iron. This protects it against mixing with other elements and makes iron more available to the plant. Fulvic acid helps plants take up the available nutrients. Please don't be alarmed about the tweaks, they have been done to improve results. Coir Max is available in 1 litre, 5 litre and 10 litre bottle sizes. We recommend you use the Coir Max A and B nutrient set in cocoa coir media from vegetation week 1 until bloom week 8. You can refer to our growth charts for more detailed information, which will be available on our website, Facebook and Twitter. Thanks for watching, see you next time.